it is concerned to the best of our abilities.
The Khasi Student Union Umden Circle has expressed deep concern over the illegal sand mining activity observed along the Umiam River, specifically at Amprang village of Raitlumpuit in Ribhoi, situated on the interstate border of Meghalaya and Assam. This revelation came to light following a spot inspection conducted by the Khasi Student Union Umden Circle, prompted by a complaint lodged by landowner Minus Sakra, who also serves as the headman of Amprang village. In response to this concerning situation along the Umiam River, the Khasi Student Union, North Khasi Hills District and KSU Umden Circle, led by its president Ferdinand Karkamni, have submitted a formal complaint letter to the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi. The letter urges immediate action to halt such illegal sand mining activities aimed at preventing further degradation of the Umiam River ecosystem.
Mulawan bani hangle office jong I Deputy Commissioner jong ba Ribhoi District na kabenta kajingja kaba laja hakiti thang bandar hakasinong arprang ha kaba nagalang kaseng ngeliat bajing ujor badlap baklaben kajing ti siap bian na kibriu ki besyong basa ha Asam ha kawa Umiam hakasinong kaba hap ha Amprang hapo jong ka Raitlumpuit ka bahabru apo jong ka Khairim Simshib.
The first International Universal Expo